Okay, so here we have another problem. A is 2, 3, 4, 5, B 6 minus 1, 0, 2. So we're asked to find AB. So let's find AB. So AB, so again, of course, A is a 2 by 2, B is a 2 by 2, so of course, we can find a product. These are the same, and of course, will result in a 2 by 2 matrix. So AB, so the top row times these two columns, the first column over here. So remember, it's always rows by column, right? So apply 2, 3 to 6, 0. So 2 times 6, which is 12 plus 3 times 0, right? Then we apply 2, 3 now to minus 1. Let me just not skip the steps. Two times 3. 2 times 6, sorry. So 2 times 6 plus 3 times 0, which is 0. Then we apply 2, 3 now to minus 1, 2. So 2 times minus 1 plus, okay, let's bracket that, let's separate it, 2 times minus 1 plus 3 times 2. Alright, so we'll finish with the top row, go on to the second row. And we'll do the exact same thing. Apply this 4, 5 to each column one at a time. So I apply 4, 5 now to 6, 0. So 4 times 5, sorry, 4, 5 to 6, 0. So 4 times 6 plus 5 times 0. Anything times 0 is 0, right? And then we apply 4, 5 now to minus 1, 2. So 4 times minus 1. Choose a bracket there. Plus 5 times 2. So when you're multiplying, first number times the first number, second number times the second number, right? So our result will be 12. And this 4 times 6 is what? 24. And over here, we have 2 times minus 1, which is minus 2 plus 6. And 3 times 2, 6 minus 2 plus 6, that's what, 4. And then we applied last one, 4 times 4, 5 times minus 1, 2. So it's minus 4 plus 10. That's positive 6. So 24, 24, 6. Now let's find BA. Let's find BA. Let me just put AB up here. Let me just write what AB is up here, just to make some room. So AB was 12, 4, 24, 6. Oh, 24, 6. So now we're working in part 2, which is BA. And of course, BA is B times A. So B, so this time I'll put the B at the front. So 6 minus 1, 0, 2 times A at the back. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Some space for the multiplication. So B times A. So you're applying 6 minus 1 to 2, 4. So the top row, you apply to the two columns one at a time. So 6 minus 1 to 2, 4. So it's 6 times 2, first number times first number, plus, and then the minus 1 times the 4. Alright, and use a bracket separated. And then you apply the same 6 minus 1 now to 3, 5. So 6 times 3 plus the minus 1 times 5. Alright, then we'll finish with the top row. We'll go on to the bottom row now. We're applying 0, 2 to 2, 4. So 0, 2 to 2, 4. So 0 times 2, which is 0, and 2 times 4, which is 8. Alright, well, the bracket's not needed there really. 0 plus 8. And then you're applying 0, 2 now to 3, 5. So 0 times 3, that's 0. And then 2 times 5, that's 10. So our matrix, of course we expect a 2 by 2 matrix. Here is 8. This one is 10. 6 times 2, that's 12. And this is minus 4. Negative 1 times 4 is minus 4, right? So it's 12 minus 4, that's what? 8 again. Let's bring this up. And then 6 times 3 is 18. And negative 1 times 5 is negative 5. So it's 18 minus 5. And that's 13. Now something very important I want you to point out here. Notice that AB is not the same thing as BA. AB is not equal to BA. So matrix multiplication is not commutative. In other words, the order is important. So if you're asked to calculate AB, very important, you put the matrices in the order. You put A, then you put B in the same order. Alright? Because you can't be careless about it and then put B. If you're finding AB, you cannot put B and then put A. You have to put the A and then the B. Alright? Very important. Let's find A square now. So we're finding A square now, and the square, something means to multiply it by itself, right? So A square means A times A. Alright, doing part 3 here, A times A. So A square means A times A, so you multiply A by itself. To square something means you multiply it by itself, right? And 2, 3, 4, 5 times 2, 3, 4, 5. So here, let's make some space. So you're applying row by column. So 2, 3 to 2, 4. So 2 times 2 plus 3 times 4. Then you're applying the same 2, 3 to now 3, 5. So 2 times 3 plus 3 times 5. That's it for the top row. So you take the top row, apply it to column 1, then column 2. Then you take the bottom row, apply it to the same column 1, same column 2. So you apply the 4, 5 now to 2, 4. So 4 times 2 plus 5 times 4. So first number to first number, second number to second number. You're applying 4, 5 now to 3, 5. So 4 times 3 plus 5 times 5. And let's put in our result. So this is what, 4 plus 12, that's 16. This is what, 6 plus 15, that's 21. This is what, 8 plus 20, that's 28. And this is what, 12 plus 25. 12 and 25, that's 37, right? 37. So A square is 16, 21, 28, 37. That's it.